So how to install VirtualBox in our system? So it is essential to uh, install a VirtualBox in our main system. So whenever you are doing some experiment in your system, it might be possibility your system will get crashed just due to the wrong installations. So that time you need to build a similar system, that similar system as you have your base system. So that will help you by virtual box, which is provided by Oracle. So you need to install the virtual box in your system. It will work as the same uh, as main system, and whatever things you want to be do, you have to do experimentation in a virtual box. After that you need to, whatever you doing, you have to do by the dockerization. So first of all we want to learn about the deeply how to install any other software. So we need to install our virtual box for experimentation. So first of all we have to update our apt repository. So sudo update. Okay, now it's updated, and here 3 upgradable application is here. So like jammy update, so it's our Ubuntu update. So we do not want to worry about so much thing about the Ubuntu update. So let's move on the how to install our virtual box. So like sudo apt get install virtual box. So it will install. So I have currently newest version of VirtualBox installed now. So how it looks like, so let's see here. So this is VirtualBox. After that we will install here any base OS. So I am working on basically Ubuntu system, so we definitely here we install our any Ubuntu lightweight uh, operating system. So we want to install here Mint operating system. We will see in a next video. So thank you.